So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you like how to change sky in any pic you want. So let me show you how. So first go to the Motion Ninja app, open it, and then choose here the magic sky. Here you can see the option magic sky and click on it. Now choose any pic you want. I generated some pics from AI. So now we just change this into this effect. Now you can change from this to this. Now if you want the night mode, then go to the starlight and then click on the night one. See, this pic change into the night mode and night sky. And if you want to change it another, then see here, then another. If you want this, there's a too many effects. You can apply any you want. See this, you can apply on the night and the sky will be changed. So now just click on the OK. Now go to the export option. Now click on 60 and then click. Now we just need to wait. We don't need to do anything, just tap on the magic sky and then click any pic you want. But the main point is you need to download the sky pic or any pic but with a lot of sky there. Now click and see, looks good. And if you want to watch this type of tutorial, then do subscribe, share and like, and thank you for watching.
Got your eyes on the beat, on the beat.